So guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are heading to Port Royal for an amazing cookout. On the ferry, traffic was moving slow and we soon found out why. There had been an accident. Cops and fire trucks were on the scene, and sadly I couldn't get a good shot of the damaged car from where we were. Hopefully no one was injured. Thankfully, once we passed the scene, traffic picked up and the roads cleared up. With beautiful skies ahead, we were stoked, thinking our journey was going to be lit. After driving for a bit, we stopped at the Palisados, a stunning spot with breathtaking views of the sea. The afternoon sun was lovely, but the fierce wind was a challenge. Little did we know it would ruin our cookout plans. We didn't stay long as the gusts were intense. I could barely hear myself, and my camera on the stand was struggling to stay put.
Wow, Samaritan.
Time to move on and continue our journey. So as we drove past the airport, the scenic sea view was stunning. Newt wanted to take a closer look, and I said, why not? Little did we know it wouldn't go smoothly. Newt turned into the sand and we got stuck. We ended up digging like crabs, trying to get the car out. Hilarious and frustrating all at once.
Wow, Samaritan.
Guys, we got stuck. This is where we got stuck. And this lovely gentleman, he came and he decided to assist us. Oh my god. Despite not wanting to be on camera, we were grateful for his kindness. Even without the right equipment, Newt spotted an old rope that gave us hope. Though it ultimately broke, luckily, another good Samaritan arrived.
Are you ready, Newt?
With a sturdy rope and saved the day.
Yeah, he's ready.
We were rescued by the kindness of two strangers.
It's in neutral, right? Oh my pop. It's popped.
Wow, Samaritan.
So guys, the rope popped, and so we had to get another piece of rope. Oh my god, we're so happy, we're so glad that we have good Samaritans in our lives, especially in Jamaica. We have good Samaritans. Straighten the wheel, Newt. Yeah, perfect. Awesome.
Wow,
Yeah.
Samaritan.
Oh my god. Thank you guys so much. Come back out of the sun, Newt. We're causing traffic. Excuse me, sir. You don't mind going on my camera? I want to thank you so much. I'm so gonna put this up and say thank you so much if you don't mind. Thank you so much. Okay.
After everything, we decided to take a look at the beauty that caused us our dilemma. Trust and believe it was a beautiful sight, a very windy one at that.
Welcome to Neutral Vibes. Today is a very disappointing one. We got stuck. Wind is so strong, so just here trying to find something else.
The wind-driven sand stung our legs like a swarm of bees. We knew it was time to bail. Guess the beach wasn't our friend today.
So guys, here we are once again at Rosy Pool. Wanted to go over, but guess what? It's actually closed today. So we're gonna head back. Well, actually we came here at the Port Royal to get, do a little cookout, do some like a snap of fish. But unfortunately, the wind is so strong. Oh my god, it's blowing me away. And so we did not make it. We did not get a chance to do what we wanted to do. We're gonna see what next can be done. Okay guys, Rosy Pool.
After a stressful day that left us feeling defeated, we decided to head home, unwind, and recharge.